We have a commercial department upstairs that gets on the phone to the customers and negotiates the prices of these engines before they come into us. And eventually, when they've done a deal on a contract or maybe just a one engine visit, we will take the engine in then as according to the schedule for that quarterly. All tailored to their own individual needs, and that's down to basically how long they've been on the wing of the aircraft. Basically, these are parts that rotate at high speeds during engine operation, and they're called life-limited parts. These parts are subjected to high RPM over long periods of time, centrifugal forces that would render them useless after so many cycles and hours. The customer decides, first of all, how much he wants stripped off his engine. Because don't forget, all this work is a costly exercise. You could have up to maybe a dozen people working on this engine at any given time. This is the engine as it comes in on a stand. Basically, it's removed from the stand and put onto 4 pedestals. The engine then is stripped down into modules, as we call them. The modules are then taken to another bay and stripped down further over the space of about a week. Well, if it's on a full overhaul, everything gets cleaned and inspected. We have very strict guidelines on how we examine parts. When the engine is stripped down individual parts, and let's call a part this particular pipe, that pipe is cleaned to its brand new specification. It's also NDT'd, which is a non-destructive test. It could be as much as being x-rayed for cracks, and cracks are probably the biggest cause of engine failure, of engines to be removed prematurely from airplanes.